Story 28. What animal is this? It lives in Africa. It's not a camel, but it can go for a long time without water. Can you guess what it is? Here are some more hints. This animal's heart weighs more than 20 kilograms. That's a big heart. Even more amazing, its heart pumps 650 liters of blood in only 1 minute. Do you know what it is? Be careful if you ever stand behind this animal. It has long legs and can kick really hard. Its kick is so powerful that it can knock the head off a tiger. Watch out for flying legs. Still can't guess what it is? Well, here's another hint. You will probably be able to guess now. This animal is tall, very tall. It is the tallest animal in the world. Do you know what it is? This kind of clue will give it away. It has a long neck. Its neck weighs more than 200 kilograms. It's a giraffe, of course. Did you guess correctly?